Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and as you can see right here in front of me, I've got a big packet shopping bag of GCD models. So this contains both GCD, what you see over here at the top, and then below that you see this icon which is die cast team. So you must have seen DCT models coming online. So GCD and DCT, both of them brother sister brands, they work together. I've got 3 GCD models with me right now and 1 DCT. One of them I showed you earlier. I've shown you a couple of other ones also before this. I've shown you the Toyota Land Cruiser, the LC300. I've shown you the Land Rover Discovery 4. So you already know that this is one of my favorite brands and I love their models because of the detailing and the features which they have. So right now I'll just take this bag out of the way. So I think I already showed you guys this. This is the Land Cruiser J76. So this is its box. Few more boxes over here. So this is the DCT sleeve. Can't exactly call it a box, it is a sleeve, and inside this you get an acrylic box. So I'll be posting dedicated short videos of all the models being unboxed, and all of them get that similar mechanism in which you get an acrylic box, and in that acrylic box you get a blister. You don't really get a screw, you get a blister. More of the boxes which are interesting, I'll just show you these 2 boxes. So the top one, this is the Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro, and this is the Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro 2022. So I'll just show you that these are the numbers. This is number 347 and 437. Packaging style, you can see that all of them, they follow the pretty similar packaging, and at the back of all of them you get the silhouette of the car. In all of them you get the silhouette of the car. So now I'll quickly just keep these aside and I'll quickly show you one by one all of them. So these are the models right here. This is the 4Runner in the red color. This is the Lexus LM by DCT. This is in the black color. And this is the Toyota Sequoia. This is also in black. So I'll quickly just start. I think I've already shown you guys this once, but in case you had missed that video, I'll show you this model. This is the J70, the champagne gold color. Very beautiful, very freely rolling. Nice silver wheels to complement. Functioning suspension, both at the front and rear. Great front details, that bumper unfinished, bit of chrome detailing, great lamp detailing, and steerable wheels. This is one of the favorite features of mine in all the models which you will see today except the DCT. But yes, this is very nice. Very nice mirror detailing on side, snorkel detailing on the side, and finally we come on to the rear. Some great rear details like the spare wheel, the tail lamps, the bumper, and also the number plate area. This is what the base looks like. So this is our first car for today, the Land Cruiser J76. I'll quickly just park this aside and I'll roll in the next car, which is very special in my collection because this is one car ever since GCD had launched. I always liked this because it's a big proper Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro SUV, and it's in this beautiful black color. I love the wheels on these, the black on black. It's a very nice color combination. Great mirror details, and these are proper hard plastic mirrors. These are not really rubberized or anything, so you need to be careful with these. This also gets the important features like front suspension and rear suspension. The front suspension has a bit more resistance. You've got some very nice side step detailing over here, door handle detailing. Then you've got this roof rack over here on top for the luggage, extra luggage. Now when I show you the front, you'll be surprised to see how well the front is detailed, for how complex these new Toyota SUVs front ends are. Great grille, great headlamp detailing, the way the Toyota badge is there, the text Toyota, all of it is so perfect. Even the grille and all, it is so well done. In this also we get that cool feature of the steerable wheels. So this is what the wheels look like when I turn them this side, and when it turns the other side, then maybe this is a better angle to appreciate. Some nice details over here on the hood also, some TRD goodies over here on the hood along with the wiper detailing. Now we come on to the rear, one of the most perfect rear ends on a 64 scale car you'll see in a long time. You check out the wiper. I mean, it's a black wiper, but it's a highly magnified picture, so maybe you're able to see it. Below that you've got the Toyota logo. Below that you've got the Toyota text on the number plate area. Then we've got the Sequoia branding. After that we've got the plastic insert tail lamps and the exhaust detailing at the bottom. And that's not all. If you check out the base of this one, you will be shocked to see the level of detail this 64 scale car offers. And like other GCD models, so yes, metal base, rubber tires, and some great details on the base also. Maybe if I take my finger off here, you can appreciate this. This is the spare wheel detailing out here. Now that we are done with the Sequoia, we'll move on to the next one, and the next one is another very popular Toyota SUV in the States. So this is the 4Runner TRD Pro from 2022. Beautiful car. You see the wheels in this. Also, these black wheels, they have got tire stickers on them. Such amazing TRD wheels. I love that style. You check out the paint finish in this. That is very cool. You've got the bright red paint on the car along with the side decals, which are white, grey, black. The TRD text over here at the side. Top detailing, if you want to start with that, it's amazing. It's got a roof rack here, a sunroof over here. Even this one, the black one, it had a sunroof, in case I forgot to show you guys. See, this one also, it gets a sunroof, it gets a roof rack. Great mirror details in this one also, body colored mirrors. And then when we come on to the front, this is also a model which has got a very complex front. However, with the plastic insert headlamps and the grille detailing, they have done a fabulous job. Even the wiper detailing on the windshield, that is so well done. And as we have seen in the earlier two models, this also gets a front suspension and a rear suspension. Little difficult to show you the rear one because I don't really have any place to put my fingers because of the roof rack, but I'll try. Just check this out. So yes, you've got to love the detailing of the grille, the Toyota text over there, the headlamp detailing, and in this also you get steerable wheels. So right now I've just turned the wheels a bit towards this side, and then you can just pose it, you can just tilt it a bit towards the other side. Now we come on to the back. You check out the Toyota logo, the defogger on the rear windshield, the Toyota logo, the 4Runner badge, the 4Runner text on the number plate area, and then not too many details at the rear. For the exhaust detailing and the spare wheel detailing, we need to check out the base. So this is what the base looks like. It's a very well detailed base. You can see the side step detailing here, you can see the mudguard detailing here, the exhaust detailing over here, the spare wheel over here. Also, one very cool thing which I noticed was this skid plate which you get in these models, because these are the TRD Pros. So these get a very nice skid plate detail over here. This guard, in case you want to go off-roading, to protect all your components. I must admit that GCD does one of the most fabulous base detailings of the die-cast models in present day. Just check out that detailing, it's so good. At the end, we'll definitely try to take the weight also, so that you have an idea about these. Finally, the last one for today, we are done with the GCD models. This is the DCT model. This is the Lexus LM. So you guys know how much I love these big Asian vans, the Wellfire, the Lexus LM and all. So I was very happy to add this to my collection. And you check out the side stance. The wheel is actually very nice and it's very freely rolling. All the models which I have shown you today, all of them are very freely rolling. You check out the door handle detailing, the mirror detailing over here. Maybe if I show you the top, you check out the multiple sunroofs which you get in these big vans. Also, I'm not really sure if you can see inside the van, but this is the 4-seater configuration, the most luxurious configuration of the Lexus LM. So 2 seats at the front and 2 seats at the back. That's it, and you get a lot of space. Now we move on towards the front. The front, it's very well detailed. You've got the Lexus logo, the nice grille, plastic insert headlamps. However, let me tell you one thing, that the DCT models, they are considerably more affordable than the GCD ones. So maybe you can check it out, and even when we check out the weight, you will realize that there is a bit of a difference. However, the place where I really like DCT is that they make a lot of models which you will not find easily elsewhere, and that is why DCT is becoming more and more popular these days. You check out the number plate area which has got the LM text. I'll quickly show you the hood like this, where you can check out the Lexus logo. And finally we come on to the rear. You check out this spoiler, the rear windshield, then we've got the integrated, the connected tail lamp. Bottom right, we've got the badging that this is the Lexus LM500H AWD model. Right hand drive car, the specification is right hand drive for this. Just above the tail lamp, you can also see the Lexus badging. Now that is pretty much it from all sides. Now we'll quickly come on to the base. The base in this, it actually sounds like plastic. It will be confirmed when we do the weight test. It does sound like plastic. and I told you that this is considerably more affordable than the GCD one, so it has its own things. However, this also gets rubber tires, which is a cool thing. You can see I can just take off these tires. These are also rubber tires. Even though this gets a plastic base, the base detailing, especially you see that exhaust detailing coming all the way, that is very good. Now what we'll do is we'll quickly check the weight of all these models, and then you comment and tell me which among these was your favorite. Let's go. So what I will do is that I have already shown you this model earlier, so I'll start with this one only. Almost 54 grams, so this is the benchmark. Now we'll quickly check out this beautiful bright red one. This is the 4Runner. Oh wow, this is 60. Oh my god, they're very heavy. It does feel heavy, and it's also very heavy in person. The stats also verify that. And finally we've got the Sequoia. Oh wow, this is even heavier. You do feel it in your hands after a point of time when you have been collecting these for a while. You know that this feels heavy, but I had not expected this to be that heavy. 72 grams is a lot. And suddenly when I put this on there, you will realize how heavy this one was. Because this one, it's not even 50, it's 42.7, which is around 43. So yes, I think this has got that plastic base as I told you about, and all of these other ones, they've got the metal base. This one, when I first unboxed this, I thought, wow, 52 grams is a very good weight. But then when I see the 4Runner and the Sequoia, suddenly this also starts feeling very light. So this is it, guys. The 4Runner, the Sequoia, the LC J76 and the Lexus LM. So I mean, personally, I love all of these, as you have seen Alphard also recently. Yes, I like these big vans, and apart from that, I love SUVs. So these three also, they are a very welcome addition to my collection. What did you think about the models? Among these, which one was your favorite? And what did you think about the brand, the features that they offer, the price at which they are available at? I'll leave the link. I think you can find most of these on Automania. So what do you think about these models? Have you tried GCD so far? Do you like it? Do you have any of their models? Do you plan to get any of their models? Let me know all of that in the comments. Thanks for watching.